understand anyway, huh? Good, I'm good, I tell you. On like that The show must go on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Citrus World takes you on a behind-the-scenes look at Donald Duck's citrus products.
Go on, get going, get going.
A winter morning in warm, sunny Florida, where more citrus fruit is produced than any other place in the world. Health-giving oranges, grapefruit, and tangerines. Almost 10% of the growers of Florida send their fruit to Citrus World, a business corporation owned and controlled by the growers it serves. The citrus season in Florida begins in October and ends in July. During this period, 25,000 people are busy harvesting the fruit at the peak of its maturity. Healthful fruit is delivered in trailers containing 45,000 pounds of Florida's sunshine. In the center of this vast citrus empire lies Citrus World, one of the state's largest and most modern processing plants, packers of all major citrus products. Home of world-famous Donald Duck products, sold under a special licensing agreement with Walt Disney Productions, which holds copyrights on Donald Duck and all Disney characters and character names. In 15 minutes, one large truckload of fruit can be processed into finished product. To reduce costs for the benefit of their growers and consumers, Citrus World engineers are constantly seeking better ways of processing fruit. The fruit is thoroughly washed before going to the juice extractors, which run 24 hours a day during the peak of the season. In 1 minute, each of these high-speed extractors squeezes the golden juice from 400 oranges. Stainless steel and plastic tubing carry the juice to evaporators for frozen concentrate products or blending tanks for bottled or canned juices. Since the advent of frozen citrus concentrate in 1946, Citrus World has been one of the leaders in production of this glamorous product. These evaporators remove 150,000 pounds of water from 23,000 gallons of orange juice in an hour to make 6,000 gallons of pure concentrated orange juice. Workmen constantly monitor gauges that tell the inside story. The refractometer reads the orange juice Brix, which shows the natural juice sugars in the product, sugars which cannot vary more than a few degrees either way. Each gallon of orange concentrate represents 4 gallons of pure orange juice. Mixed thoroughly, it's on its way to filling machines and freezing tunnels in a matter of minutes. From the extractors, some of the freshly squeezed juice goes directly into canned juices requiring no refrigeration, or into bottled juices, which are kept at an even 32 degrees. Then a constant check by laboratory technicians ensures the finest quality in all Donald Duck and Citrus World products. Cans by the millions flow endlessly to the juice filling machines. At the filling and closing machines, all popular sizes of metal and fiber cans are used. 4 ounce, 6, 8, 12, 16, 32, 46, and even 92 ounce cans find their way from here to the world's breakfast, luncheon, and dinner tables. Machines like these can fill and close 500 cans a minute. Just a few years ago, 200 a minute was speedy. Mute testimony that this modern plant is not only keeping up with the times, but keeping ahead. And here, an ever-increasing demand for frozen orange and grapefruit juices calls for a never-ending supply of handy six-packs. Direct from the extractors, less than 2 minutes from the ripe fruit, the fresh juice is collected in 1,000-gallon stainless steel tanks for mixing and testing before going to the filling lines. In recent years, the demand for chilled juices has grown by leaps and bounds, and Citrus World has become one of the largest packers, only we do it a little differently than Donald. This filling machine is in a sealed room, which provides a completely sterile atmosphere for cold-packed chilled orange juice. No one opens the door until it stops. The pasteurizing of orange juice must be very carefully controlled. In the stainless steel coils, temperature of the juice is raised just enough to assure purity. Then it is cooled instantly to 32 degrees at the rate of 50 gallons a minute. This precise control ensures maintaining the natural flavors of the fresh juice until you drink it. From this parade of half-gallon glass jars of delicious juice, amazing machines line up the filled bottles, drop them gently into shipping boxes, and they're on their way to the refrigerated warehouses where they can be kept indefinitely. Citrus World has its own complete research and testing laboratories where the year-round we are constantly searching for new products and better packaging to serve your wants and needs. The best experts in the industry, the best equipment. The results, the products speak for themselves. Both the United States Department of Agriculture and the state of Florida maintain a constant vigilance on all citrus plants in Florida. All products produced must meet exacting standards. These inspectors are experts in their field. Metal cans to supply juice-filling lines are delivered in specially designed trucks, some from can-making plants in which Citrus World is a part owner. Ease and speed of delivery is the watchword here. And for the diet-conscious, pure, unsweetened grapefruit juice in 46-ounce cans. This vitamin-rich, flavorful juice flows into a never-ending stream of bright metal containers. After a cooling bath, the cans of juices follow an amazing array of conveyor systems. First to labeling machines, which quickly wrap them in the familiar Donald Duck label. This casing machine takes the cans, 12 at a time, wraps a carton around them, which is sealed automatically, ready for storage and shipment. Automatic palletizer, new in the food business, turns each carton the way it should go for stacking on pallets. A sweeping arm pushes each layer to the proper position. A sequencer changes the carton formation with mechanical exactness. Specially designed fork trucks lift the pallets of cartons with no delay. Millions of cases of Donald Duck products are stored in warehouses to meet the year-round demand for these citrus products. During the harvesting season, the best grapefruit and oranges are selected for section packs in cans which need no refrigeration and in glass jars which are kept refrigerated. Machines that are almost human peel the fruit with mechanical precision. First, the fruit is scored, peel deep only, with razor-sharp knives. Then belled out at the bottom. Batteries of peelers remove the skin. Then eject the peeled fruit onto conveyor belts. Florida produces considerably more grapefruit than all the rest of the world. Sharp-eyed, highly trained women carefully grade the flow of fruit. Only the best is used for packs of chilled salad and canned sections. Those damaged or odd-shaped go to juice extractors. From the peeling machines, the fruit flows into steel baskets for further washing and inspection. Presently, there are 600 skilled women employees processing Donald Duck products in the Citrus World sectionizing plant. These skilled hands carefully and swiftly separate each section of fruit. Sharp knives and sharp eyes. It's an art not easily learned, but these women know their business. A layer of orange sections, another of grapefruit. Hands that must be careful and sure in their every movement. Now we are also sectionizing fruit automatically. These machines, which took 20 years to develop, are capable of sectionizing fruit at the rate of 21 per minute. Since there are from 8 to 13 sections per grapefruit, it takes a pretty smart machine to do this. The peeled fruit is placed in an upright position where finger-like feelers gently separate fruit segments. Knife blades then remove the segments, which drop onto grading tables, where broken and defective sections are removed or thrown away. From this belt, the sections move to automatic filling machines. These gallon sizes are sold to hotels and restaurants. Pint and quart jars of chilled salad are sold in retail stores. Automatic conveyors direct the jars one way, cans another. Millions of containers of many products on their way to consumers everywhere. Random sample cans and jars are tested by government inspectors. The juice is poured out and the contents weighed, thereby assuring customers of Donald Duck products. The sections of each sampled can are laid out and counted. No can may contain more than a small percentage of broken pieces. The wet peel, direct from the juice extractors, is dried and sold for cattle feed. This product is first ground to a desirable size, then pressed to remove excess liquids, and finally dried in these huge revolving cylinders at a temperature of 100 degrees. This byproduct is rich in natural feed and shipped throughout the world. Each year, 1 million pounds of citrus pulp produced away to the nation's dairy barns and beef cattle feeding lots. More than 150,000 100-pound bags can be warehoused here to ensure year-round delivery anywhere, anytime. Here's another new first for Citrus World. A huge and complicated machine. A microflake food dehydrator, the first of its kind in the world, to make pure, dried citrus juice crystals for packing in cans, jars, or other packages that require no refrigeration. The citrus concentrate travels at a rate of 100 feet per minute along a stainless steel belt. Blasts of dry air remove the water and leave a crystal. In 90 seconds, cold, dried juice becomes something like taffy and is removed by a stainless steel blade, then crushed and ground. In this laboratory, we test for many things, including dryness, vitamin C, flavor, and color. Here, the product is stored in 30-gallon drums before going to the filling line, where it is packed in cans, jars, and aluminum foil pouches. 15 minutes ago, these Florida oranges and grapefruit were sealed in nature's own protective cover. Now they're on their way to supermarkets and small corner stores throughout the nation, and to faraway places like Europe and the Orient. Instant orange juice. This is the way we believe you will drink your orange juice in the future. As convenient as instant coffee and instant tea. 1 spoonful of crystals in a glass of ice water, and presto, you have pure orange juice. As delicious and nutritious as fresh orange juice, and tasty too. From these healthy groves, Mother Nature and man have combined their efforts to produce oranges, grapefruit, and tangerines of a quality and in quantities people want. Remember us when you see Donald Duck citrus products at your grocery store.